Nakakapanghina, Christian. Nakakapanlambot kasi ang daming social problems, 'di ba? Ang daming nagugutom, talking about confidential fund of DepEd, ang daming walang classroom, tapos you will be discovering a lot of fictitious names na naka-receive ng confidential fund na sana kung nagamit lang ng tama, maraming Pilipino ang nakinabang, no? Let us all be always be reminded by the constitutional mandate that public office is a public trust and we should be accountable to the people at all times. At ito lang naman po ang ating objective when we conducted the investigation in the Good Government Committee. And I believe we have the same objective when we filed the impeachment complaint